Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I did a halo smoky wintry blizzard inspired makeup look. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe down below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this makeup look. So after I splash some love to my face by moisturizing and priming and doing my eyebrows, I'm going to start with the eyes in the Ulta Beauty palette, and I'm going to be taking the mauve shade and I'm going to be putting it in my crease. This is going to act as my cool toned transition shade. Now I'm going to be using the shimmer charcoal shade from this palette, and I'm going to be concentrating it on the outer V, keeping that side dark, and then I'm going to be sweeping it towards the inner part of my crease, and then also making the inner corner of my eye pretty dark with the same shade and sweeping it towards the outer V in the crease, just to start creating this halo effect. So next I'm going to be using the shimmer pewter shade, and I'm going to be putting it on the sides of beside the charcoal shade to create some more depth as it's blending. And then the center is going to be the shimmer gray. This gray really did make the look come together and make it pop like it actually belonged there, and like the center was really bright, which was the goal, which hooray, we did it. And then I went back and I touched up whatever I needed to touch up. And then I took the shimmer gray and a shimmer white and I mixed them and used that as my inner corner highlight. Before you guys say anything, just know I do know my foundation is too dark for my skin. So that being said, I am aware, but the concealer does help the overall look. But the foundation is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy foundation. I'm going to be blending that in with the Beauty Blender and then going over it with the Hard Candy light shade of concealer, and that's really going to bring the look together. So now I'm going to be setting everything with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Setting Powder, and then I'm going to be jumping right into my ABH Glow Kit. I'm going to be using the shade Moonstone, and that's going to be my cheek highlight, my eyebrow highlight, and my nose highlight. And then I'm going to add a little bit of blush. So to finish off the eyes, I'm going to be doing some winged eyeliner with my Maybelline Precise eyeliner, and then I'm going to be adding a couple coats of mascara from the Wet n Wild Volume Max mascara, or Max Volume mascara, you know what I mean. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial so much. I hope you guys really did like it and enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.